Hello everyone. For today's video, I'm going to cook a chicken stew or adobo and with tofu. But before that, I'm going to clean this with baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix it thoroughly within 1 minute to 2 minutes to sterilize. To kill the bacteria, you know, the chicken is really dirty or any meat, so we have to remove the smell and of course, yeah, to sterilize, because baking soda has antibacterial properties. So mix this, and after this we have to wash it thoroughly to the running water or to the tap water. Wash it one by one. Make sure that you remove all those baking soda. So this is already washed, and you have to drain all the water before you marinate. So I'm just going to marinate this with salt and pepper. So this is my tofu. I just cut this into cubes and like this, and set aside for later use. Then I have 1 egg, beat slowly. Then I'm going to add half of it to the tofu. So only half, and the other half to the chicken. Mix with, and then to the tofu. You all also need to mix. Now I'm going to deep fry the tofu. So just need to wait. Okay, so you have to deep fry. Just put it into the pot one by one. Then prepare another pot and add cooking oil for the chicken. So we're going to deep fry the chicken. So put the chicken one by one. We just need to deep fry this for about, you know, that just only for a slightly brown. remove the chicken and set aside. So now we are going to saute the onions and the garlic. So saute until slightly brown. And put back the chicken. Just the chicken first. Add soy sauce. A little bit of water. Put back the tofu. So let's just let it cover for a few minutes, 5 minutes. So we need to add some brown sugar, any sugar you can use. A little bit of salt. This is a table salt. Black pepper. Then mix for a while. And I have a slice of green pepper here. I don't know, we call it siling labuyo. So this is done, I think. So this is my chicken and tofu stew, or let's see, adobo. I don't know how to where we exactly call this. I just call this adobo. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice